Welcome to Fruit in Focus, a series where we talk about everything fruits. Zia's here to tell us what we're going to learn today.
We're first going to look at the origins and the history of guavas. Then we'll look at types and variations of the fruit. We'll also talk about their nutritional value, facts about the tree and leaves, and finally, propagation methods.
Welcome to Fruit in Focus. Let's talk about guavas.
Guavas originated from an area many experts believe to extend from Mexico, Central America, or northern South America through the Caribbean. Archaeological evidence in Peru indicates that these fruits have been cultivated as early as 2500 BC. That's more than 4,500 years ago. Since then, the fruit has spread to subtropical and tropical Asia, parts of the US, tropical Africa, and Oceania.
There are quite a number of guava varieties out there. Some sources suggest that there may even be more than 20. Some popular varieties of guavas include the strawberry guava, apple guava, pink guava, and the Mexican cream guava. The variety we grow on our farm is the white or apple guava, which is very common in the place where we live. Guavas produce amazing flowers that attract a plethora of pollinators, mainly small insects. The buds can be very difficult to spot unless you're looking carefully, and after pollination, like other fruits, the flower dies off and you should begin to see a tiny guava beginning to form. And in about 20 to 28 weeks, you should have a delicious fruit waiting for you. But before we go on though, here are some pro tips to increase productivity.
Rats and grubs are notorious consumers of guava. If they do exist where you live, you might want to consider propping up low-hanging fruits, as we've lost some guavas to rodents in the past. Another pest to look out for are birds, and an easy way to outsmart them is to use an opaque nylon bag to cover the fruits from their line of sight. It might be tedious, but we recommend you do this for all exposed fruits to get the best result.
Like other fruits, guavas are packed with vitamin C. They also contain carbohydrates, sugars, dietary fiber, protein, fat, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and folate. Their high vitamin C content helps boost immunity. Dietary fiber aids digestion and prevents constipation. And certain studies have also suggested that guavas can help regulate blood sugar levels, and certain antioxidants in guavas help protect the skin from damage and reduce signs of aging. Guavas also improve overall vision, reduce the risk of cancer, support brain health, and aid in weight loss. That is a lot.
Small to medium-sized plants typically growing to about 3 to 10 meters in height. They thrive in tropical and subtropical conditions, and they're very strong trees that can withstand a wide range of environmental conditions. They typically live for several decades and can produce fruits for up to 40 years. Guava leaves are oval-shaped, about 3 to 6 inches long, and have a vibrant green color, and are used to make tea by many cultures. They also have many medicinal uses. Guava leaves are typically used as a remedy for diarrhea and other digestive issues because of their antimicrobial compounds, which help cleanse the digestive system. Some studies suggest that guava leaf extract may help lower blood sugar levels. The leaves are also rich in antioxidants and have been shown to improve heart health by reducing blood cholesterol.
Guavas can be propagated from seeds which are found in the fruit, and the seeds are quite tiny, but don't worry about missing them because the fruits are absolutely jam-packed with these things. If you're looking to propagate from seeds, you're first gonna have to clean and dry the seeds before planting them in moist soil. And after that, it's pretty much of a waiting game, but don't forget to water daily and regularly check up on your guava seedlings so that you know when they germinate. When they do germinate, well, you have a couple of new guavas. You're gonna have to wait a couple of years for them to begin to fruit though, unless you are doing air layering, which thankfully guavas are very compatible with actually. So if you'd love to learn how to do this, we actually have a video about that on our channel. Feel free to check that out.
Guavas, a superfruit in every sense of the word, blessed with a rich history and packed with nutritional and medicinal uses. Both plants and fruits are a true credit to their designer. If you find this video helpful and informational, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It will really be helpful. I'm Zaya.
I'm Carix. See you in the next video.